This is Leo, our cat Leo. He likes to speak, don't you, Leo? Don't you like to speak? Leo, do you like going to the vet? You like going to the vet? Say hi, everybody, Leo. Where are you going? Do you want us to get you fixed one day? Do you? Do you like that idea? You gotta quit spraying, otherwise we will get you fixed one day. How's that sound? Leo looks like Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon when he's in the dark, because he's got those yellow eyes. Don't you, Leo? Do you look like Toothless? Show them how you look like Toothless. Yeah, there you go. Quit hitting me with your tail. Okay, say goodbye, Leo. Say goodbye.